Hailmeister and I made a trek around this little lake. We got our feet wet. We found some challenge caches. This particular cache right here, you had to find a cache in 25 different states or provinces. So we've signed this log. Jason's going to put it back, and then we're going to try to get to our car through this tangled mess. It's wet and tangly, if that's a word.
Why did the chicken cross the road?
I don't know.
Because! Wait a minute, what's that? Yeah, that's got to be it. See that up there? See a bolt?
Oh.
Yeah, there you go. See a bolt up there? It's on this side, but not the other side, so it's got to be a magnetic bolt container.
So this is on the inside of the tail. The outside of the tail. There is nothing.
Yeah, just reach right over the top. I can't reach it from here. Right? No, go toward the head more. There it is.
Oh.
Got it.
There it is. Good eye there, Hailmeister.
Yeah, this will work. Yeah. Nice camo too. I mean, it blends in really well.
Oh yeah.
There it is. There's a log sheet and a smiley.
There you have it, folks. A rusty bolt on an old rooster.
Why?
Because.
There we go.
Stuck it.